Hey, welcome back. This video is about Adobe Spark Post, and in this video, I'm going to talk about patterns. When you try to create a new post with Adobe Spark Post, then it will show you different options called solid color, patterns, photo library, and more. In this video, we are going to talk about the second option called patterns. When you click that option, you will find that it will open a new page where you can find the different patterns. So by now you have got a clear idea about what does a pattern actually mean. A pattern is a repeated decorative design, and it is a single image where the design has been repeated and it creates a wonderful look. You can use pattern as the canvas background, and especially when you want to create an image where the text plays a key role, which means that if you want to just share a message in the form of image, then you can use pattern as a background and it will make the whole image more impressive. You can also use solid color as the background for an image which just shares a message, but it's not so attractive as the pattern is. And here you can find about different options saying recent, downloaded, and featured. So if you have used or downloaded any of the patterns, you can access them with these options. And below you can find the different categories saying geometric, illustrated, organic, photographic, textured, and more. So under the geometric section, you can find the patterns which are created by the geometrical shapes, whereas in the organic section, you can find the patterns which are created with the trees or any of the animals. And in the textured section, you can find the patterns which are created based on the texture of any object or any surface, or based on the texture of any animal's skin, such as zebra or giraffe. So in this video, I'm going to use the giraffe pattern. So I'll just choose that. It is created by Christy Little, and here I have a download option. I will just click on the download option and you can find that there are about two options saying my library and icon. Click on my library and it will open you this pattern as the canvas background, and you just select the size of the canvas, what you want to create and what is the size of the image that you want to create. Now you just decide it here, and then after deciding that, you will find that a text will be added onto this canvas. So by default it is light brown and brown in color. Let me share you one thing, that when you're using pattern as the background of your canvas, you can, the best shape that you can use with the text is this one. And it is really very, it really makes your text very beautiful, especially when you're using the pattern as your background. So I'll go by this shape for any time when I'm using pattern as the background. And after choosing the shape, I'll just change the color. We'll just type as giraffe is taller than me, of course. Now we'll choose a font type. So using a pattern with the text is beautiful, as you can see here, but you can also use a pattern when you are adding an image. For example, I will add a image of giraffe, and after adding the image of giraffe, you can find that the Adobe Spark Post will give a proper space for every image. It will not merge an image on another image, rather it will divide the two images that you are adding into a specified layout. Okay, so here you can see that the giraffe and the pattern that we have added are divided into two different images, but it will completely create a single image, and you can just move the text wherever you want, but you cannot merge these two images, right? So I will go by decreasing the size of the pattern, and I will just increase the height of the text, and now you can see this is really awesome. And a finishing touch is adding a border for this. So here you can observe that if I would have just used this text directly added on the image, it would have not created the impact that it is creating right now. Right now, we have a giraffe pattern in the background and the text on it, and we have an image of giraffe beside that image, and it is good in this way. So this is the basic use of pattern. You can really create wonders with the help of the patterns. Hope you have found this video helpful, and be sure to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.